Hello, everyone. My name is Orlando Mantilla. I am 27 years old. I am from Cañete, Peru. I study industrial engineer at Continental University. Right now, I am living in Cusco because I work in a natural gas plant called Camisea. It is big challenge to study and work at the same time, but I am learning a lot every day. In my jobs, I can analyze products shown there and I can solve problems with my team. I can also use computer to like Excel and PowerPoint. Working in Camisea helps my improve my professional skill and grow a person. Eh, every day I wake up at 6 o'clock. I take a shower, head dress, and have breakfast with my colleague. I go to work at 7 and I finish at 5 in the afternoon. At night, I study my university course in line. I go to bed at 11. I can work under pressure and I can communicate with other people. In my free time, I can play soccer and I can cook simple. Cooking helps me relax after day. I want to describe Cusco. It is small but comfortable and quiet. There is bed near the window and there is desk from the bed. There are some books and my laptop on the desk and there is lamp. There is a closet on the left and there are two photos of my family on the wall. This place helps me study and reminds me of home. I am a responsible and hard-working person. I always try improve, learn something new every day. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a great day.